I'm an honest person, I'm an open book, so there's nothing she's gonna ask me that's gonna throw me off. Behind every strong man, there's a strong woman, you feel me? So I'm just trying to replicate that.
I don't know who this guy is, bro. I don't know if he's a social media influencer or what going on, bro. I don't know if I have seen Cheyenne in that suit before. I'm not really sure, but you look kind of familiar. Like I've seen her in it before.
Hi.
You're looking beautiful, I can't lie.
Nice to meet you.
Mwah.
Ah, gentleman, what's your name?
Tizzy, and yours?
Nice to
Okay,
Cheyenne.
kiss on the
Nice to
hands.
meet you. Cheers.
Cheers.
You about to
Okay.
sip right cheers?
No, I had to look you in the eye as well, like,
I feel like
that's
yours.
Dorovia. You know,
Come in, it's kind of
she's
smooth.
sexy.
Oh, he looks nice, clean, no tracksuit. So Tizzy, what do you do?
I'm a musician.
Oh, he's a
I'm a
musician.
host. I run a project called Pure Love Projects, where we go feed the homeless and stuff. Yeah.
Oh.
Check it out sometime.
Wow.
So you're like a philanthropist. I like that.
Try it.
I like that, I like that, I like that.
Yeah,
So,
oh, you coming with the song?
oh, I can come with the show if you want. Look, so like, what are you looking for at this date here?
I would like you to surprise me. I don't want you to, I hope you don't come like all the other dates have been. So I hope that you can show me something new.
You have to
Something
bring
real.
new. I just be myself all the time, so that's
Man,
all I
Cheyenne
can.
don't want nothing real, man. She's lying, man.
On paper, I don't really have a type, like complexion or anything like that. I'm more looking at the mind. Like, if you can keep up with my mind, if you can keep me interested.
Oh my
like a girl
God, this
that's
guy.
intellectual and has goals. You know what I'm saying? What's your goals? Like, what do you want to be 5 years from now? What do you see yourself?
Successful, in a home, few businesses.
Any kids?
Yeah, absolutely.
How
What
many
about
kids
you?
do you want to have?
Wait, hold on. I'm supposed to be asking you the question. So tell me about you. What's your goal?
Yo,
Goal? My goal is to impress you, baby. No
them's
lie.
crazy. It's
My
like
goal is just to keep going
this
the way I'm going.
Cheyenne was like, oh no, no, no.
Be
I'm doing the
times
girl in
10
here,
multiple.
buddy.
I want to just keep creating different streams of income and just be successful and health for all my family. Like, that's the most important.
So what kind of music is it you do?
I do a mixture. I would say I'm a music artist. I wouldn't call myself a rapper because I sing, I rap, I do a mixture of everything.
Okay.
I play instruments as well, so I'm musical. Love, Drugs, and 19 out now, baby. I think you should.
Oh, so he's good
So
at.
you say you're a good
Dude,
guy?
he does do
Yeah,
a
where I need to be.
Have you ever cheated?
what's this called again?
I have,
Have you?
still, yeah, I have. You know,
Promo.
I would say no, but I admitted it on TV already that I did, so, you know, I can't
Okay.
really...
Yeah.
She knows I cheated. We keep it real around here. It's better they know the truth than, you know, hide
At
it,
least
find
he's
out
not.
later.
Oh,
Whoa.
I was really liking him, but now it's gone out the window. Why are you saying it so casual?
I'm saying it casually because it was a long time ago. I was young, and it was more like not physical cheating, like more like emotional cheating, like texting.
No, that's cheating.
It's
still.
obviously still cheating by definition. I do admit. Local man, you know what I mean? So
No, but that still doesn't
doesn't
justify
really count.
actions.
It doesn't justify it, but people change.
So what have you done to change that?
What have I done to
But
change?
Yeah.
dude, I'll Cheyenne never
I'll do
yet
it
cheated
again.
before.
Really?
That's a
Yeah,
start.
you've never.
That's a start. No, I haven't cheated again. So after that relationship, I've only had one relationship after that, and I didn't cheat in that relationship. It came to an end, but I didn't cheat. You're looking at me like you don't really
Yeah.
trust that one.
I'm quite easy and understand with many things, but cheating's like
it's
just
like
bottom
the
barrel
no-no.
behaviour.
Nah, I can't lie. Cheating, I'm not proud of it. It was one of them ones where I feel like I was just young and getting a lot of attention and wasn't really
Yeah, just
how to
selfish.
navigate through. Very selfish.
Yeah, it's selfish because
A
you
bit
don't
silly.
think about the other person. Like, how did she feel and how did she find out?
How did she find out? Well, funny story. She went through my phone while I was sleeping. But, you know, back in the day, it wasn't Face ID. It was the thumb. So she, like, warmed up my thumb by massaging it.
What?
Yo,
Just
she
feel like I
was
don't
a
just randomly
pro.
wake up, so she made it feel normal in my sleep. When I say it out loud, that shit's a bit crazy, but, you know, I still got love for her.
Yeah, that's kind of
I've
like.
woken up to a bang in the face.
Oh my God.
Yeah, true stories, but, you know, we're cool. We're actually good friends now.
How many women do you entertain though?
I don't know. What's entertaining? What's your definition of entertaining a woman?
Sleeping with, dating.
Nah,
How many women are you sleeping with?
I only sleep with one person at a time. I don't
At a time.
sleep with multiple people. But dating, I can be dating multiple people, but I can't sleep with multiple people.
How does that work then? Like, so are you like an open relationship person? Because I'm sure if you're like
Open, I
intimate-
don't share. No, we're not open. Closed. If we're in a relationship,
But then you're
it's
dating other
closed.
people.
Dating. How do you get to know someone? You meet them, maybe on social media, or maybe I meet you at a party or something, and then we go to a date. At that point there, are you the only person I'm meant to be dating? I don't even know who you are.
How many women have you slept with?
That's true, bro.
Bare questions, damn. So, by slept with,
Dude, this
maybe
is
by
grilling, bruh.
have sex. How many women have I had sex with?
Yes.
I actually don't know.
Give me an average.
I don't know.
What do you mean
Like,
you don't know? As in it's
I'm
that
not
many?
keeping. There's not like it's that many, but it's just like I don't sleep with a girl and think one. Then I don't sleep with another girl and think two. Like I lost my virginity at a young age. How am I gonna keep track for all those years? I mean, I don't remember what I did like 3 days ago.
So is your life like an artist life,
Um,
like the
um,
party
he's
lifestyle?
actually
Tell the truth.
dodged
I
that
can't lie, my
question
life is really
perfectly.
like two mad opposites. Like I could be like driving G wagons in Dubai, and I could be like on the train on the way to flipping central London to go do some groceries. Do you know what I mean? Like I've got two mad opposites. Like sometimes I'm mad lit and I'm enjoying life, and other times I'm just doing normal stuff like what everyone else does. Do you know what I mean?
So how do you find it hard to meet people that can get past the cheating thing? Because for me, I like it's nice that
Girl,
you said homebody, and I try not to be that woman that throws
dude,
some
how
car stuff in your
perfect
face,
is
'cause I
this
like to
girl,
get
bro?
through
Like,
stuff.
No, facts.
seriously.
But then if you're like I'm homebodying, it's like just because you're saying you're home and you're behaving doesn't mean that you're not misbehaving, because you could be DMing
No,
everyone
that's
on
facts.
Insta.
That's facts. But if you want, you can go through my DMs. You can have my phone, and you can have that. If that's the stage we're at,
Yeah, would you let me have your phone passcode?
yeah,
Would you really?
yeah, you can have it now.
Oh my God, dude.
No, I'm joking. I'm joking.
Yo, you see how quick I went to the. You see?
Interesting.
I like this
Dude,
girl.
never
She's
be
actually
a
giving me
simp,
vibes. No
bruh.
lie.
Never
Oh,
kowtow,
that's
bruh.
cute.
That's
You
what
want
she
people in
likes.
control?
She want to be in
Yeah.
control. Basically, she
Oh,
just
you
want to
don't.
be in control and make
Say
sure
it
that
more
everything is
confident.
run like how she
Saying
wants it.
it.
That's
Are you
what I'm
sure?
getting from her,
See,
bruh.
the level of your voice or how loud you say it doesn't mean how confident you are.
Very
If you know what
true.
you're doing, you know what you're doing.
Do you know what you're doing?
Yeah,
Really?
of course I do. Do you know what you're doing?
Nah.
You don't.
No.
You're like a novice in the
Clueless.
bedroom.
Yeah.
Clueless.
Beginner levels.
It's all right, man. Teachers are there for a reason.
Really? You a teacher?
Can be if you want me to be.
Maybe.
Not,
See.
don't say it can be if you she
She's
wants it to
feeling
be.
me, man. I can
If
tell
you're just
she's
saying
feeling me. She's
something, just
looking at me
say
in
it.
the eyes.
Don't
She's
be like,
feeling
oh,
me.
if you
Do you
want
have
me
any
to be.
fetishes?
Yes, I see I have a foot fetish. Can't lie. I would say I have a foot fetish, and that's about it.
That's good.
Yeah, that's good.
It's like foot massages
Yeah,
and
no,
everything else?
foot massage every day, like
Every day, yeah?
every day.
All right, cool.
Got problem with Apple ID. Remove Apple ID without password using
Man,
10 or
Shine is
or
something else, bro. This girl is like crazy.
So, where are you from?
So I'm from northwest London, like
Northwest.
Borough sides. I don't still live there now, but that's where I'm originally from. What area are you
Wait,
from? Are you from
Northwest
London as well?
London.
You're from this way, yeah? Alright. It's not even too far, but it took me ages to get here today.
To get ages. I know you were late.
I know, sorry about that. I won't be late till
yeah,
our
you should-
second date though, I promise.
Being late is really rude.
I
Oh,
know. And you know
already
what it
talking
is?
about
I won't
second
even
date?
blame anyone else apart from myself. But on our second date, I'll be
He's already
honest,
mentioned in the second date.
You've got a lot of making up to do after being 2 hours late. What was life like?
Oh,
as
it
a
was
teenager
2
then?
hours.
growing up in
Wow,
an
that's
area
crazy.
where
2
there was,
hours.
like, a lot of violence and stuff like that, but I never per se got involved. I was friends with everyone who was involved, like literally, but I was never involved myself.
I kind of
Well,
understand what he's
17
saying
years took off
because
from me,
I
so, like,
was
I
kind of
haven't
like that
seen
in a
what you
way
can do
growing up.
from something that's legit.
So, what are your thoughts on that?
On trapping, you know, I think trapping is like everyone can do what they want, really. I mean, big up all my traps is not really a long-term thing. If you're trapping to trap for the rest of your life, you're an idiot. If you're trapping maybe to get out of a bad situation you're in and you have an end goal, it's still a bit of an idiot, but like at least you have a goal. Money is money, shit. Some people don't have opportunities out here, so you gotta do what you gotta do, man. My boys gotta make it out. They gotta make it out.
I don't know
For
what
example,
trapping
like,
is.
just a
I don't know if
situation
it's
I've
selling
seen,
drugs or
I've had
something. I think
friends
it's
who've
selling
come out of
drugs, right?
prison trying to look for a job for weeks, months, no jobs because they've now got a record. So what they're gonna do is go back to doing what they know can make them the easiest money quick. Like my man over here, if he's not doing it, this guy's gonna do
Yeah, but
it.
that's like a bad attitude, because when people think like that, nothing's ever going to change, because someone's always going to do it.
Yeah, but do you reckon that you can stop trappers trapping? It's
Yeah,
impossible.
no, but you can, and
You
this is the thing.
can't.
When you have
supply and demand.
no, but it's the supply and demand. But when you stop, then eventually things
Dude,
change.
Shane don't
Like,
understand what
instead
this
of
guy is saying,
lazy,
bruh.
no, it does. But it's like there's resources and everything like that, and people just have no ambition, and
Yeah.
everyone's
Just
only
as
motivated
you
because
can stop
it's like,
drug
especially when you're a teen
dealers,
or
you
you're a young
can
man,
stop trappers. It's
you
basically the
can't-
same. No
everything's
matter what you
impressionable,
do, as
everything's
long
about
as
image, everything's
people
about
want the
money.
stuff, you're
Like,
gonna
I
have
was
drug
talking to
dealers. It's just,
16-year-olds the other
you
day,
can't
they want
stop it.
money.
You can
What do you need
stop
money for?
some, but you're still gonna have more.
What don't you need
It's
money
just
for?
what it
You're
is.
16.
Everything in this
Go
world
and hang
costs
out
money.
in the park or do something
No,
chill.
but the
Like,
world's past that. 16-year-olds don't want to go hang out in the park and look at grass. I'm telling you, the world's past that. 16-year-olds, you know what they want to do? They want to go to libs. Shit's crazy out here.
it's just when you have a relaxed attitude.
That's the
someone
thing.
else
This
will do it
guy's
if not.
talking
Like,
reality,
it's
man.
about
He's
having those conversations.
Cheyenne
and
is not
changing
living in
the
a
mindset
fairy
saying,
tale land or
"Actually, no,
something.
this isn't okay," and not just, "Oh, big up whoever's doing it. That's their lifestyle."
Nah, it's not big them up, but it's if you got to do what you got to do to get out of a situation, you got to do it. If this guy's just come out of prison, he's got kids to feed, and he can't get a job. He's trying to get legit jobs, and he can't get a job. And he knows that if he does this, this, and this, he's going to put food on the table.
Not really, because then what he does that, then he goes to prison, then never gets to see his kids
Again,
grow up.
that's obviously that's the flip
realistically,
side. That's the
it's
flip
but
side.
that's the reality of it.
Of
So
course.
men think, oh yeah, do this, do that. I know many people that would much rather a man stay at home, just have a normal job, stacking shelves in Sainsbury's is better than trapping, because what you get
But what I'm showing you
and then
is
you're
that
not
man
raising your
can't
kids.
even get employed to stack shelves in Sainsbury's when they have a record like that. Do you know what I mean? It's like the system is set up to basically break men down.
Yeah, but if they don't start with that, because they're falling at the first hurdle, just start with a normal job.
Yeah.
I don't get it. There's so many other ways you can make money.
Dude, I feel like Cheyenne. I don't know how she grew up. Obviously, she grew up wealthy or something, or in a
really
good family.
picky,
But
you know.
I can see that. I did watch the episodes before I came on. I can bring more to you still.
Can you?
Yeah.
I know what I want.
why are you
so-
telling her
What
that
do
you
you-
watch the
since you
episode,
know,
but
what do you
don't tell her
Yeah,
that.
I want consistency. I want honesty.
Because if you watch the episode, you're supposed to know
That's literally
everything
all I
what
want.
she's
It's
gonna
not even
say.
a lot. Like, I'm asking for basic, bare minimum things that men seem to lack. in doing that.
Consistency and honesty. In this generation, to get that from people is hard.
It's hard, and
you
it's-
can't really trust people nowadays.
Can I trust you?
What do you think?
I'd like to think I
I mean,
can.
I think you can because, you know, you asked me the whole cheating question. I was like hella open, like the book mad open with that one. So
Okay.
I trust you already. You don't even need to ask me. You know, you got
Dude.
trust in eyes.
This
Yeah,
guy,
you're a
bro.
bad
This
liar.
Is it?
Yeah.
You think I'll be able to tell when you lie?
Oh yeah, I can't
You
lie.
got telltale signs.
Yeah. I think he's
Why is he-
speaking just a little. Do you treat women with respect?
Yeah, because I love my mum and I love women in general. So I think how you treat your mum shows a lot, and I treat my mum with respect.
Are you a mummy's boy though?
That's what everyone says.
Oh, do you know,
literally.
mummy's boys are the worst.
Why?
No, I love a man that can respect his mum, but there's a fine line. Because if you're a mummy's boy,
I know what you're gonna say. I know what you're gonna
What
say
am I
because
gonna
I've
say?
been getting asked a lot of questions like, all right, cool. So if I was to have an argument with your mum and have to walk out of the house, are you coming with me? Like, shit, that's the kind of questions.
are you coming with me then?
It depends what the argument's about. It
What
depends
do you
how
mean?
a relationship is.
No. This is no, because right. As much as I'm like family, and you should respect your mum, but what's important and what families need to understand is we would be potentially the people. We're starting a family
Yeah, of
together. So the
course.
fact that you're already prioritising your mum, that's dead. I'd never have time with you.
You think anyone's becoming between me and my mumsy? Listen, I know what I said is what I said, but shit, my mum's gonna have to clear on kill you before I take your side. You gotta be with a man who has love for his mum and respects his mum. Any man that's just gonna say to you, yeah, I'll come with you, bro, that is a waste, man. I'm
What do
showing
you mean?
you.
How is it a waste,
Because
man?
you don't even know what the situation is. Imagine you was like to my mum, I don't want to say nothing, man, carry. You just said something crazy out of line, yeah? And then you just slap her or something.
What?
I'm meant to come with you. Do you know what I mean? This is what I'm trying to say. Situations change
that's
everything.
wild. No, that's
exactly. So you don't know what. If you give me a situation, I can tell you.
Does your mum still do your cleaning, cooking, and stuff?
Nah,
You?
I cook for myself a lot. I'm a very, very, very good cook. I would want the second date to be. I would want to cook for you. Do you like seafood?
Yeah, I do.
All right, cool. So what I would cook is a lobster linguine. You like pasta?
Yeah, I do.
Lobster linguine carbonara, and then like some sweet chili chicken strips on the side. That's what I would do.
How many women have you cooked that for?
Ah,
Yeah, well, you're not getting a second date for that now.
2, 3. No, I'm joking. I ain't cooked that for no one. That's actually my new dish. I've cooked for women before, I won't lie. But that dish there, I've only cooked for my family.
Okay.
So from the previous episodes, to
damn.
me, just
That
looks
was
like
kind
you
of
hate
smooth.
men.
You
Like,
probably
you're
lying, but
anti-men.
No?
Anti-men.
No, I love men.
Is it?
Yeah, that's why I date
Right.
them all.
But when are you really trying to make a choice, though?
No,
because, you know, going on all these dates, but you're going to have to choose someone real soon.
No, firstly, I'm not in a rush.
Oh, you're taking your time.
Yeah, it's what I mean, because I want it to be right. So I'm not just trying to like choose you just because I need to choose you. No,
Ah,
like
yeah,
it
of
has to be the
course.
right person.
Of course.
I'm looking for a vibe. that I can't
Dude,
get anywhere else. Do you know what I mean?
it's kind of, you see,
It's
it's
hard
kind
to
of
find
weird
because I
that
think a lot of people can
she's
offer me things,
go through a
but
lot of dates, but yet
it's
she
got to be deeper
still
than that.
can't find the right one. That will show you that, hmm,
Do you?
maybe she's like
Do
I
you?
do, yeah. And I enjoy it as well.
overly
Yeah.
picky, man.
There's a tick.
Like, very selective. Like, I know how many people's I've eaten. Don't know how many people I've selected.
Right, so
But I know how many people's fishes
how
I've
many
eaten.
then?
Oh, you actually want the number?
Yeah.
I'll give you the number. Like, I have to think about it, though. Like, briefly.
Is that many?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
About 4.
4.
Oh, 4.
Oh, I don't know why all these men are so scared to say they eat pussy, man. I'm just out here being honest. You man need to stop lying to yourselves. And if you're not doing it, your girl's gonna come over here real soon. So pattern up, my guy. Yeah,
So how do you know you're good at it?
they'll tell you.
Oh, they'll tell me.
I don't have to say much.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they'll tell you, or I could just show you.
Oh. Hold on. He's watched the show. He's done his research on me. He's definitely telling me what I want to hear right now. How do you feel
Oh,
about splitting the
dude.
bill?
That's why I
First
said
thing,
he
I'm
should have
gonna
mentioned that
pay
he watched the damn
the whole
show,
bill.
bruh.
And I probably pay
Shane is
overtime
actually
as well,
thinking
to be
about
honest. But I said, if we're
what
like
he said
together in this
earlier.
relationship, then I'm not trying to pay like for the whole of our life. Doesn't really need to be splitting the bill. I don't really like splitting the bill. I just want to pay it at once. So it's more like,
Oh my God,
if I've taken
dude,
you out, like,
honest to God, I
so many
regret that
times,
this
maybe
guy
one
even
day you
mentioned
just
that.
take me.
I like that
You know
he's
what I mean?
honest, but
Yeah.
because he
So do you
mentioned
believe in like traditional
that situation,
relationships
it's
after
kind of
a certain
weird that
time?
Shane
She
probably
wants to
preying
do
it
that,
right now.
she can do that. But I believe that any woman that I'm going to be with is going to be intelligent enough to not just want to stay at home and do nothing. Like, obviously, maybe raising the kids and that, but I want you to maybe, like, have your own business or something like that. Even I can help you do it. It doesn't need to be no mad job, like some silly job, but, like, go do something.
If she didn't, and you had kids with her, would you make her sign a prenup?
I can't lie to you, when it comes to that prenup stuff and all of that, my finances are going to be secured. No woman is taking 50% of nothing I have.
Okay, but what if this woman raises your kids
Yeah.
for 18 years? She then has nothing to show because she's raised your kids for 18 years. Is she not entitled to anything?
She has to sign a prenup. Are you, listen to this, right? All right, let me give you this. Obviously, Jeff
Oh,
Bezos. Let's talk about him, yeah? He has now given, obviously, I don't know how integral she was to where he became so rich, right? I don't know, I can't remember, but it's in the ballpark of 400 or something million. Like, so imagine I get to that status now. Because you've dated me for and been my wife for bare years, I should give you 400 million pounds just because I'm rich. It's not really fair, is it?
No, but this is a point actually. So what people seem
well,
to
with
forget,
Jeff
men especially when they're on
Bezos,
this
she
prenup
kind of
stage,
helping in the
that
business,
a good
or
woman helps you build that and
Facts,
get there.
facts.
So then when men try and make a woman sign a prenup and then minimize the power of a good woman, that can't run. So I don't like someone's going to sign a prenup if I've helped you build something.
Facts. It's not about the
but
minimizing the
but you're not
power
gonna
of
know
a good
which woman is a
It's
good woman. That is
about-
the thing.
Yeah,
You
but
know,
it
which of
does.
them gonna
it's
grab your
about
money.
How much input into all this money that I have did you have?
Yeah, but a lot of women have a lot of input.
And if- yeah.
But when you're on bad terms, the input is then nothing. Like, listen, there's so
hear
many
that,
women
I
that
hear
are
that.
ride or dies, but when you're going through a breakup, everything's
Then
bitter.
what I would
So they're
rather
not going to
do-
remember when she brought him up and done this, done that, or raised the kids. People forget that when you're angry and bitter.
Imagine this. I meet a woman when I'm already rich. Why should she now come and take half my riches?
If you have kids with her and she
Yeah.
raises your kids well,
If
I
I
don't
have
see that being a
kids with
problem.
any woman, yeah, that woman is never gonna ask for anything else in her whole life. That's the point. But I'm not planning to have like kids with a woman and that's not my wife. I really don't want that to happen. If it happens, it happens, and I'll be there. But I don't. That's not what I'm looking for. Well, she thinks she's intimidating, innit? She don't know that I can handle this.
So how do you find dating like attractive women?
You and every other girl who's beautiful has hella options. Today, you could make a guy fly to Dubai. I promise you, I know you could do that, like with one text. Not that I'm saying you would do that. Guys need to be able to understand that it's not all about the money thing. So you just be yourself, just be a nice guy, and you might come across an attractive girl that likes you.
I like that.
That was smooth, but if you like like scripted
I
saying.
agree. I'm going to say I'm not anymore.
Not anymore, what happened?
Sometimes you just have a life experience that will humble you.
I don't even know how that sounds. Yeah, I would say I'm dominant in the bedroom. Like, keep it in mind.
I will.
Okay, dude. I'm just, as I said before, I wish you
Yeah.
didn't mention
Yeah,
to her
I'm
that
friends with all my exes, to be honest.
Finally,
he
someone
watched the
that's
show.
fantasy friends with their ex. He gets it.
But you know, I seen that you would go and like you link up with your exes on one of the other episodes. That's crazy.
Why is it crazy?
If you link up for dinner, imagine going on a dinner date with your ex. That's a bit mad.
Yeah, but it's because you say dinner date. It makes it sound mad than what it is.
If there's dinner,
Like, we're going for food.
yeah, that's a date.
No, we're just going for food.
Yeah, that makes no sense. I can't lie. That's not really happening around me. You know, picture this.
Yeah, that's kind of
We're
crazy though.
moving together. We're living in our nice house, and you're like, I'm going to meet Joe Blogs for a flipping nice burger and lobster. He's my ex from 2 years ago.
But I'm not going to go for a fancy. I'll just
Or
go
you're
like
gonna-
Nando's.
Okay, so you're gonna go Nando's with Mr. Joe, yeah? And then I'm like, cool, I'm at home chilling. And then I'm just gonna think to myself, bro, I'm making a sandwich or something. My goal is eating Nando's with her ex right now. Would you want me to go eat Nando's with my ex if I was your man?
As long as I've eaten and stuff, go eat with your ex then.
Huh? As long as you've eaten. So you just have to make
You
sure
just have to, I'd look after you. Like, if I was going to eat with my ex, I'm not going to just leave you at home with no
Okay,
food, am I?
so you cook.
But it's
something.
something you have to still like look after your man. It's not either or. Like, you don't have a choice on choosing one.
I guess when you get to a certain stage, I think it's a certain stage of trust in it. If I know my person to the stage where I know that they're just gonna go to that dinner and this is a dinner, I'll be like, cool, you might as well tell your ex to bring his new missus and I'm gonna pull up too. There we go.
Yeah, we could all do that.
Yeah, that sounds a lot more fun to me still.
You know that he's the only person that actually mentioned that
No.
the ex can
You're
bring
not.
someone else.
Nah.
What if it was really high?
If it's like 100, I'm gonna start caring because where did you pick up 100 bodies? Like, I'm old enough now to realize that if you've like been having sex for a certain amount of time, a certain amount of years, it's inevitable, but you're gonna pick up a few bodies. You know what I mean? But I don't want to see the people that you've been with. If it's like far away from man, I don't really care because everyone's really having sex. Who am I to say how many people you're having sex with? You know what I mean? I don't really care as long as you're gonna treat me right.
That's a good answer.
But let's be real, bro. It's not about man.
Yeah, like what's this Instagram? I mean, I hate people that.
Reason why I
compare
said that I've
social media
seen
so much.
some
Like what's it? Instagram
professional
like?
actors,
You like
female
this girl's
professional
page, you follow this girl.
actors
That stuff
that
really
get
motivates
married
me
and they're
to me.
divorced
But I
and
think
they
it's because
can't
it can
keep
lead
a
to
marriage because
insecurities,
they've
like,
been in the
if you're liking them,
business
they're, like,
for too long and it
Instagram
ruined their
kids, I'd be a
life.
bit like, okay, hold on a
Certain
minute, like, I get
situation
it.
like
But
that
what
can
if I
ruin a
already know
situation
Insta
for women,
baddies?
bro.
What Insta baddies, whatever.
I'm
that
just
is,
saying.
You know what I mean? What if I already know those kind of people?
Yeah, I like everyone's pics.
Yeah, that's just a picture. It's not deep at all. Firstly, I would never even see because I'm not even looking for who you're liking in this pics. Like, that's just weird. So I'm not checking for that. I'm really checking for what you're doing in real life.
Actually, to be fair, to lie, and I know a lot of women feel this way, I swear to God, if I'm feeling someone and then I just see their name under every girl's pic, it will make me feel, it will give me
gives you the ick, right?
It will give me the ick, and I will not talk to you. You're not
Nah,
rated
there's
anymore.
certain man, I can't lie, I'll be showing you through the Insta, certain man that I follow, that are my guys and that I see their names on every girl's pics. I'm like,
Like, it does make you look desperate because it's embarrassing, I think, especially as women. Like, I'd be like, oh my God, like, I really like this guy. And then if I'm showing them and then they see your name everywhere, I'm getting violated in the group chat.
yeah, that's a
like,
bio on the girl's side. I mean, yeah, that's why I just would try not to like every girl's
Dude,
pic.
stop got your
But you say
dirty
alpha.
ass beard, bro.
Of course, what else would I be? What
Dude,
other options? What other options are
stop calling
It's
yourself
not- it's
alpha,
like,
bro.
What is it,
you?
beta?
Just what? A boy.
I don't know, man. I wouldn't answer that question, bro. I would like,
How would you feel if I had
I'm
like
a
a lot of
human.
male friends?
I mean, I wouldn't like it. I got female friends. I can do it, innit? But I know 99% of you guys can't. You guys are too hungry. I know what you're on, man. I know what you're on.
That's true,
I
man.
see
That's
guys
true.
are, and I need to meet them as well. Because me personally, I just feel like I've got a lot of female friends as well, right? And it's not like I want to sleep with them or anything. But I just know that other guys have bad intentions. Like, you're gonna be like, yeah, that's my best friend, that's my bestie. But to his guys, he's like, yeah, that's that Cheyenne thing, you know. Obviously, I'm just chilling with her now. We're just chilling, but yeah, I'm gonna hit that soon. Do you get it? Like, so it's like I don't really, and I just know that's what people's mindsets like. I know when a beautiful girl, most guys just want to chill with them, either to have her there for a good look or whatever it is. I just want to make sure that's really a friend. It depends where the friendship came from.
Have you ever suffered with mental health issues?
I haven't, but you know, I've got loads of people around me who I love, friends, family, who I can talk to if I'm ever feeling down. And anyone else who's out there, who does feel down, I think the best thing to do is speak to people. Speak to people, even if it's like my ex called me the other day. She was down. I was there for her. Do you get it?
Yeah, he's very in touch.
As I said before, he's giving
What
the
would you do
great
if I slept
answers,
with
but
2 of your friends?
because he watches
I'll just
show,
have
man,
to
I don't
decide in
want
my
on someone
mind
who
to
don't
see
watch the
if
show to
if
actually
it's worth dealing
come
with
on
or
this
not.
show and
It depends
do
on
their
which
thing.
friends. If you sleep with certain friends, I can never go there. Yeah,
What if I wanted to start an OnlyFans?
I'll talk to you about it and say that that's very, very stupid. But you know, if you wanted to do it and like sell like foot
At
pics
least
or
he's
like
he's
pics you're putting
being
on the
honest,
gram,
man.
feel free. OnlyFans. I'm your only fan. You get it? Me, I'm the only fan. Simple.
Only
What's
man
your
you
type?
are.
Body pics.
Like what? Naked?
Yeah.
I'm not really with it, to be honest. Like,
Really?
but obviously it depends. Like, if you've been doing it before I came into the situation, and I come in accepting it, I can't talk. But if you want to start doing that while we're together, I'm gonna give you my opinion.
Oh, so that's like the energy you should come with when you talk about trap stars and stuff like that.
Is it?
Mm.
Relate it back
This
to
is what I
that.
mean. So when people are like trying to do things for their hustle,
Yeah.
you know, like you said earlier, it's their hustle, that's their bag.
Yeah, but this,
So that's
this,
her bag.
this is why I don't like hate on the OnlyFans girls, because I think if there's guys out there who want to pay to see pics they can see on Instagram, damn, take their money. They're very stupid, so take their money.
Yeah.
Like, why not? I can put my girl onto a million different ways to make money. She don't need to do that. Like, I can teach you crypto. Why would you do OnlyFans? I can show you how to make bare money.
What would you do if I got put in prison for 2 years?
Let's say you're inside for 2 years and you're serving 1. Porn for 1 year or 2. Damn. I mean, I think I'd leave still.
Would
personally.
you?
Yeah.
But we're in love.
We're in love, but like.
And you're gonna wait?
It really depends what you did.
No.
It really
Do
depends
you know
what
why
you did.
that actually annoys me?
It
Right.
really depends what you did. Gone.
But so men always say how they want a ride or die.
I don't want no one to
but
wait
men,
for me.
But men
Just
would
saying.
usually want a woman to wait.
Not me.
And say ride or die.
Not me.
Okay, so I wouldn't wait for you then.
No, if I go to prison, yeah, just leave me there. When you come out, maybe we can get back together. But for 2 years, I don't see how it's possible. But maybe, say for example, if we've got kids and it's all loving and that, then yeah, that's different. It really depends what kind of relationship we have.
What if I didn't sleep with you for the first 6 months? Are you waiting?
For you, yeah. But I'll get you a vibrator. You might need that. I personally believe what would happen was if you was to actually speak to me for 6 months, you would want it to happen faster than that.
Oh, really?
That's what I think. Like, I think that naturally it would just happen faster. I'm kind of a person, when I'm seeing someone, I want to see them a lot.
Yeah.
So if we're linking up all the time, it's just naturally going to happen way before 6 months. I think.
I think women, we just like the thought of a man willing to wait and not trying to rush.
Yeah, I don't really care about sex. Like, there's porn, right? I've got a right hand for a reason. I don't really care.
Oh my God, this
6
guy.
months ain't that deep, but I just don't think you would wait 6 months if it was me.
This guy, bro. At least he's being honest, man. At least he's
Tizzy,
being
how do you
honest.
think you've done?
I think I've done all right. Like, I mean, this feels like it's been a good conversation. I've got to know a bit more about you. And you're smart, which is, I like it. Interested. Can cheers on that. How do you think the date's gone?
Nice, it's gone nice.
Dude, I wish he didn't mention that he
Oh, the date went
freaking
good, man. I think
watch the show. That's
she
the
saw that
only
I'm an
thing about it,
intelligent guy.
man.
I saw she's an intelligent girl. I mean, I didn't even ask her if she was attracted to me, but I think she was. By the eye contact, I'm attracted to her, and pretty sure we're going to see each other again.
You know what? It was a good date with conversation-wise, but I'm not really feeling the chemistry. There wasn't any.
Definitely see
Wow.
her again. Like,
No
we can share that next
chemistry,
week.
yo, dude. All of that good talk, what you were doing again?
What grilling?
Friends, friend zone.
Oh, I'm not even cooked yet, B.
He handled it because he was telling me what I wanted to hear.
That's what I'm saying, bro. I should have told her that
Alright.
he watched the show, man. That was the
I reckon
freaking thing he did wrong.
8.
8, that's very generous. Not an 8.
And if she doesn't give me an 8, then she's just capping to herself. It is what it is. 7.5 I'll take as well, but...
So I'm going to give Tizzy a 5. He's a nice guy. Felt like he was telling me what I wanted to
Oh, damn.
And I don't think
You got
there was
the-
chemistry.
He got the lowest. Damn, that's crazy. My dude got the lowest. Wow, he got the lowest, bro. That's crazy.